Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to share a post into your Facebook story. Maybe you want to share your post into your Facebook story but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can share your post into your Facebook story. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. And then from here, select this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And then once you select it, simply select your profile. And then you'll be directed into your Facebook profile. And here, scroll down and look for the post you want to share. For example, this one. Simply tap on the share button and then you will see in here share to your story. Tap on this your story. And then in here you can edit it by adding text, emojis, songs, effects, and many more. You can also tag people if you want. After that, simply tap on the share button. And then now you will see share to your story. You can tap on your profile icon and then view this story, and as you can see, it now shared to your story. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can share a post to your Facebook story, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can share your post into your Facebook story, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.